Get your muffin tin. You're gonna wanna grease your muffin tin. I'm using the butter spray because you guys said Pam was not good. So this should be way better. Perfect. You're gonna wanna grab your chocolate chip cookie dough coins. I'm using the pre-made, but you can use homemade if that's what you prefer. You're just gonna wanna quickly fill up those muffin tin holes. Just like that. Get some of those thinner slices. It's okay if they kind of fall apart because it's all going in the same place. Perfect.
I think I definitely prefer it to be pre-made. This just looks so easy.
Right? I love easy cooking. You guys know I love easy cooking. And just wait, this is gonna be the easiest dessert yet, and it's gonna be so good. Okay, we're almost done here, and then we're gonna pop it into the oven. Okay, I think this one needs a little bit more. Just make sure they're nice and even and flat.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, I'm gonna pop it in the oven. My oven's set to 350, and I'm gonna cook it for what it says on the package.
Perfect.
Okay, just took them out of the oven. They're still hot.
Oh my gosh, those look so good.
Right? Okay, I'm gonna grab my glass here.
Okay.
I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of that butter spray that we already used. Make sure it's nice and coated, and then we're just gonna make a little divot in each one.
Cute. Oh my gosh.
Right?
So are these gonna be like stuffed cookies? Like you're gonna put something in it?
Yeah, you're gonna see.
Oh, I'm so excited.
It's gonna be so good for the holidays. Okay. We're gonna start off with our marshmallows. See how they fit perfectly?
Oh my gosh, so cute.
Right? Just quickly put them in that little divot you just made. They fit so perfect.
Yeah, they do. Wow, it's perfect size.
All right. Gotta do this while the cookies are hot.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Now one more thing to make this extra special. Hershey's.
Ooh.
Right on top.
So these are like s'mores cookies.
Yep. Aren't these little Hershey's so cute? They have the little Christmas characters on them.
That is so cute.
All right, and then for
Look at that.
those people that don't like milk chocolate, we have the sugar cookie Hershey's that we'll put right here.
I didn't even know they made that kind.
Yep, it's special for the holidays.
So good.
All right, now we have one more row, and this one's my favorite. We have the Andes peppermint bark.
Oh.
Yeah, smush those in. Oh, these are gonna be so good. Okay.
Oh my gosh, that looks amazing.
Now we want this chocolate to melt a little bit, so we're gonna pop it back in the oven for 5 minutes. That quick.
Oh wow, that's fast.
Yeah? Just melt that chocolate a little.
Okay.
Look how perfectly melted everything is.
I love these colorful ones.
Right? The sugar
So
cookie ones are so cute. Okay. Let's pop them out.
Oh, it comes out so perfect.
Yeah, I let them cool so that they would pop out nice and easy. Ooh. You gotta let them cool. It's super important.
Okay. I love that they look like little cupcakes.
Right?
Like cookies are just always too thin, and these are just the perfect depth.
Perfect little s'more cupcakes. Okay. Now, personally, peppermint's my favorite, so I'm taking a bite out of this one.
Okay. Oh, that looks so. Oh my gosh. So much filling.
Mm-hmm.